SAP development can be complex, but understanding the key concepts doesn't have to be. Welcome to SAP Bites. This channel focuses on short and practical knowledge for SAP developers. Many SAP topics are explained in long and complex tutorials. SAP Bites focuses on short, clear and practical explanations that developers can use directly in their daily work. The main format of this channel is called SAP Bites. These are short videos of around 3 to 5 minutes, each focused on one specific topic. The SAP Bites roadmap already includes more than 30 topics across SAP Basics, Development, Architecture and modern SAP technologies. The series starts with the most important fundamentals of the SAP ecosystem. From there, the series moves into development topics such as ABAP programming, object-oriented development, CDS views and integration technologies. A very important part of SAP development is enhancements and extensions. The channel will also explain BAdIs, enhancement concepts and modern extensibility approaches. Another focus of the channel will be developer tools, including ABAP development tools in Eclipse, debugging techniques and practical development workflows. Understanding the architecture behind SAP systems is also essential for developers. The channel will also cover modern SAP technologies and development models. SAP Bites will build a strong foundation with short and practical videos. On top of that, the channel will later introduce Big Bites for deeper technical topics. IG Bites will cover deeper technical topics such as ABAP debugging, CDS performance, clean ABAP, RAP development and real project scenarios. In the future, the channel will also offer structured training content that is already in preparation, including learning paths for ABAP beginners, debugging techniques and modern ABAP development. If you have a question about a topic, feel free to use the comment section. You can also leave suggestions for future videos there. And if you are interested in future training content, feel free to reach out by email or in the comments. If you work in SAP development and want to learn something useful in just a few minutes, this channel is for you. Welcome to SAP Bites, your concise introduction to practical SAP topics that help you deepen and expand your skills. Subscribe to the channel on YouTube and follow our latest updates so you never miss a new lesson.